Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Roblox Avatar Shop right from your phone. Let's get into it. First, open the Roblox app and log into your account if you haven't already. Then here tap the three dots. Then tap the Avatar Shop or the Marketplace. This is where you can explore the outfits, accessories, faces, bundles, and more. Then you can use the categories or the search bar to find what you're looking for. You can filter items by price, type, or if it's free. Then tap on an item to preview it. Then if you like it, tap buy to purchase it using Robux. If it's free, just get tap and confirm. And once purchased, go to the avatar section to equip a new items and customize your look. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Avatar Shop on mobile. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.